Good morning, how are you all doing? I'm having my breakfast today, and so I thought I'd share with you. I bought this from TK Maxx yesterday. It's a Joseph Duo 3-in-1 avocado tool. I don't know if it'll work. Let's try it. It's about £3.99 when I bought it. I will just remove it from this and then we can have a look. Okay, it has been removed. This is the gadget. This is supposed to cut the avocado, which I don't know. Let's see, okay? Okay, it's soft enough to cut it. Plastic knife. Small avocado. Avocados are so good for you. So here we have the seed, which is supposed to be, okay, this is too small, first of all. And you're supposed to twist it and pull it out. That's come off easy. Great. Oops, my hair. And then you're supposed to use this to go in. Obviously, the avocado is too small for this device, but we shall try. Oh my, this avocado smashed. There you go. So I think it would work with a bigger avocado slice. What do you think? It's great. And now we do the other side. It's one of these devices that you really don't need. A plain spoon is good enough, but hey ho, I tried. You live and learn. I shall keep using this and see. I like the fact that the stone came off easily. Normally the stone is the bit that I do struggle with sometimes. But no, do not recommend this device. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll change my mind after I've used it a few times. Have a good day, guys. Bye.